Hey guys, it's Vicky's up here. So I want to show you guys. I made this really good skirt from this t-shirt, and I wanted to demonstrate same how I made that because unfortunately I couldn't film while I was making the previous one. So I want to use a long sleeve to demonstrate how I did that. So if you're using a long sleeve or you're using a short sleeve, it's same thing. So if you're using a long sleeve, basically all you have to do is cut it short. So here the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the short sleeve, and I'm using this as a demarcation line. So you could just use a tape to create a demarcation line, or measuring tape and chalk. So this is just for a demonstration purpose, so that I don't know, this may actually help someone out there. So that's why I'm making this video. So if you're using a short sleeve, there's no need for this step, which is the hand. So there will be no need to cut off the hand. And then the next step now is to cut off this I don't know what is the neck part basically. So I'm just gonna cut it off neatly. So now that the neck part is done, we're gonna start cutting to create some fringes like this. So you have to use the first cutting, you have to use the first cut as a measuring point as to where you want the fringe to stop. So from your first cut, keep stopping there in each cutting so that you have a uniform cutting or a uniform length of fringes. So once you're done making the fringes, all you have to do is stretch it, pull at it so that it stretches, and give some kind of stretched look. And so the final step to this is actually to put it on and use some belt at the neck part, which is the waist actually. So you could actually use an elastic, just put an elastic so that it serves as a solid waist line, or just use some belt. For now I'm using some belt. I may put elastic in the future, so I don't know. And then if you notice, I did some little cutting here, so this is not actually necessary, as this will not be seen. This little cutting I did here, it won't be seen. This hand serves as the pocket of the skirt, so this is not necessary. But if you want to go ahead and just do a little cutting here, that is totally fine. So for now I'm using belt, and the next step will just be to show you guys how it looks.